guys, welcome back to How to Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video, guys, we'll be working on a Dodge Dart, guys, and we'll show you how to remove the crankshaft pulley and the bolt, guys, how to get them loose. Now, we'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. As you can see, the engine is out of the car. Why? Because we'll be taking that engine completely apart. We'll show you how to fix things, guys. Everything from removing cylinder head, pistons, connecting rods, timing chains, all that will be on the channel. Probably we will have close to 100 videos on that engine alone. So, if you have any questions, leave a comment below, guys, and we'll try to make a video for your problem. Let's start on the crankshaft pulley removal now and show you what we use to do that. So, we're using, guys, that 6-gallon compressor. Okay, it's very little, but it's super powerful. Again, you can find a link in the description of the video below to see where we got it from. 165 psi, that's enormous amount of pressure. Even the bigger compressors don't go that high. Ingersoll Rand gun here, guys, nothing sponsored, everything's purchased by us, but we'll show you what we use. In our case, okay, we have now a 22mm socket right here. Okay, get it with the impact and let's see if we can remove that thing. You want to sometimes, guys, hold the impact really strong with 2 hands, that way the vibrations will be switched to the bolt and it will come off super easy. Now this is a keyed pulley, okay, but you're going to leak some oil out. Why? Because your crankshaft seal, guys, okay, is located right here behind that pulley. And as you can see, we removed the pulley out of the way. So as you can see, that's how you get it loose, that's how you remove it, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.